everyone, my name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make Au Jus Gravy mix so that you have it on hand anytime that you need it. If you're like me and you shop at Aldi, you probably know they don't carry an Au Jus seasoning packet mix, so when you're making your recipes like Mississippi pot roast, or if you just need it to make Au Jus for a side, then you can't find that mix at your Aldi store. And so I want to show you how to make it at home using ingredients from Aldi, and that way you have it on hand anytime that you need it. So we're going to use Pampered Chef's Deluxe Cooking Blender, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And also, don't forget to go to theflipflopchef.com and click the button to join my recipe community so you have access to thousands of other recipes and videos, and I hope that you enjoy all of my videos while you're here. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use Pampered Chef's Deluxe Cooking Blender. We're going to put all of our ingredients into the blender container. Then we're going to grind it using the grind setting on our blender. So for this recipe, you're going to need 12 beef bouillon cubes, and I bought these at Aldi. You're going to unwrap them and just toss them into your blender. You're also going to need 4 teaspoons of onion powder. And where are my spoons? Here they are. I knew I got them out. They were hiding from me. So we're going to do 4 teaspoons of onion powder, and this is also from Aldi. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. I think I got this at Walmart, but you can get this at Aldi. So 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. We're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now the black pepper here that I have, I actually ground it up using the grind setting on the blender. I just put some peppercorns in there. So if you want to try that, I have another video showing you how to do that. So 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Not garlic salt, but garlic powder. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whoops. 4 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's all you need to make this. So we're going to take our blender container, we're going to put it right on the top of our blender base, and this is a smart blender. I have so many videos showing you how to use Pampered Chef's Deluxe Cooking Blender. If you haven't seen any of those, go to my channel and you can click on the playlist and have access to all of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my blender on. There's a power button on the side, and I'm going to turn this to the grind setting. It will not take very long at all to grind this up, because the only thing we actually have to grind is the beef bouillon. Everything else is already ground up. So let's press the button, and we're going to let this do its thing. Won't take very long at all. As you can see, that was like 5 or 6 seconds, so not long at all. And let's just take a peek in here, make sure we got all of the, oh yeah, totally ground up. So what we're gonna do, I have a jar, this is just a little mason jar here that I use to store my Au Jus mix. You could use a Pampered Chef prep bowl, whatever container that you have. You might see a note, I have a little note on here, I just wrote this with a Sharpie, 4½ teaspoons. So that's how much I need whenever I need a packet of Au Jus Gravy mix. I just measure out 4½ teaspoons. All right, so I'm just gonna guide this into my container. Get all this out of the little grooves in there. This is the easiest way to make this, and that way you always have what you need on hand, and you don't have to go to a different grocery store to get what you want. I occasionally go to Walmart, but I certainly wouldn't want to make a trip to Walmart just for the Au Jus Gravy mix. So I like to keep this in my pantry, and I have it anytime that I need it. All right, I may be able to get a little bit more out of there off camera, but you guys can see we have a nice jar full of our Au Jus Gravy mix. So this is homemade Au Jus, and you can mix it. 4½ teaspoons is equal to 1 packet, and you could also use it just to make some Au Jus gravy on the side if you're making some kind of a sandwich that you want to dip into that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, learned something new, and I hope that to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. I'll see you soon.